Monreale Cathedral, Italy. Go in and buy your tickets. There are always sections under construction. I was the first person in, and there's already tour groups here. This is a very famous attraction. It is made out of approximately 2,220 kilograms of pure gold. There are two tombs here, the Bad King and the Good King. This is St. Peter. Looking at the middle, you can see the organs here. Usually at churches, the organs are actually placed at the back. There's mosaic floors. This is St. Paul. There's also a tomb for the King of France. We're entering another room on the left-hand side of the cathedral. Your ticket will be checked before you enter. Everything is written in Italian. However, you can pay an extra €5 for an audio guide. Sometimes you reach a section with an information board. There are a couple of languages in there, including English. You can read a leaflet and take it home. This cathedral is huge because there are many sections that you can visit. On display, you can also see the clothes that the priest would wear. If you look at it closely, you'll be able to see all the detail within it. Once you've finished, you can leave the way you entered. As I was leaving, I noticed a bunch of flowers. They're about to celebrate Easter. Now we're on the right-hand side. Going through, they check your tickets again, and there's a couple of different floors. So starting on the current floor, you can see lots of things. I highly recommend coming here early in the morning to avoid the crowds, because as you see here, there's not many people. There's some interesting displays such as the bones of the saints. Fortunately for me, even though I don't know any Italian, the people that I met there were speaking English to me. They were reading and they were very interested. They were telling me about each of the items, and I really enjoyed this cathedral. I looked at the majority briefly, and this whole cathedral took me 3 hours to complete. So all these things are within the 3 floors. While you're here, make sure you have a look outside the window or the doors because it's very beautiful. In the main section, they're already setting up for Easter celebration. It's 10 a.m. Look how many people there are. I'm now at the back of the cathedral, going up the stairs. There is 130 steps. As you go up, there are several floors where you can have a look at some exhibitions and displays. Eventually, you'll reach outside and you can look at the garden. It is so beautiful because it stopped raining, but it is very windy. Continue walking through until you reach the top. At this spot, only one person can stand here. While in this spot, you get a beautiful view of Palermo. Now you can exit the cathedral and go around the corner. You have now entered the garden. There are many pillars that you can look at, and they are all unique. In one of the corners, there's also a fountain. If you look on the other side, you can see where we were walking earlier. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.